So this video is all about Accenture Freshers Off Campus Type 2021. So before discussing about the job role and eligibility criteria, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates regarding latest off-campus types. And also you can join our Telegram channel called latest off-campus types for you. So I'll be putting the Telegram channel link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to join our Telegram channel more easily and get updates regarding latest off-campus types and the job references. So now let's discuss about the company and the job role. So the company name is Accenture. Job location is across India. That means you can join in Bangalore, Pune or Hyderabad or Gurgaon etc. locations. Then job role, they are hiring for associate software engineer and salary will be getting 4.5 LPA and experience required is freshers. That means 0 to 1 years only. So you must not have 1 year plus experience. Then qualification required is BE Tech only. No MCA, MBA or MSc candidates are eligible for this role or for this interview. Then branch any. That means all the computer science background candidates like CSE, CSIT and the non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical are eligible for this role or for this interview irrespective of their branch. Then year of pass out or the batch, only 2019 and 2020 year of pass out candidates are eligible. Remember this thing. No other year of pass out candidates like 2021 or 2022 are not eligible for this role. Then last date to apply for this role or for this test is 23rd November 2020 and the interview date is 24th November 2020 and it's a online interview process. So from your home itself you can attend the drive due to this COVID-19 situation. Then eligibility criteria, all the BE Tech as you discussed earlier and only 2019 and 2020 year of pass out candidates are eligible. Then aggregate, so you must have 65 percentage aggregate or 6.5 CGPA throughout your academic career with no active backlogs at the time of recruitment process or the during the onboarding. Then you must not have more than 1 year gap, maximum of 1 year gap in education post 10th up to the completion of graduation. So you must have 0 to 1 year of experience. So as we discussed earlier, so you must be a Java, ASP.NET or the SAP certified. So it will add a plus point. If you have no certification in ASP.NET or SAP, it's still fine. I think most of have Java certified or Java certification. So the candidate must be eligible to work in India either by the citizenship or have relevant work permit documents. So you need to submit the documents or the work permit or the Indian citizenship document during the interview process. So after completing the written test, then candidates who have worked or applied at the Accenture before, if any, must disclose the details at the time of application or the during the time of interview. So generally they don't allow the candidates those who attended that Accenture interview before 6 months. So now let me take you to the official website. Here you can apply for this role or for this interview. So this is the official website of Elitmus or the Elitmus portal. So here you can see Accenture Solutions Private Limited, it is hiring. So here you can see the last date to apply is 23rd Monday and the drive date is 24th November. So drive location is online from your home itself. You can attend the drive as it is a virtual interview process. So here you can see all the details. So you need not to have any PH test score to attend this drive. So you need to simply create an account in the Elitmus. If you have previously created an account in Elitmus, then you need to click on the login option. So as I have not yet logged in into the Elitmus site, so that's why it is showing login to apply. So if you have logged in into the Elitmus portal, then you need to simply click on the login option. Then you need to provide all the basic details like what are the skills and what are your experience etc. Then simply click on the submit button by providing your current location. So I hope you get a clear idea about the eligibility criteria and the job role and the drive date. So I am requesting all of you, if you are eligible and willing to apply, please apply for this role before 23rd November. So I am sorry that I am late in uploading this video regarding this off campus. So I am requesting all of you to apply for this role as soon as possible before the job role expires. So if you are facing any difficulties while applying for this role, you can comment your problems or the doubts in the comment section below of this video or any other video. We'll be definitely trying to help you as soon as possible. So I will be putting this link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for this role before the job role expires. So thank you for watching and all the best for the interview.